Good morning, everyone. Today I wanted to share a family recipe, and it's also a tradition that I grew up with my mom baking banana nut bread, specifically with buttermilk. And I've tried so many recipes throughout the years, and I always go back to my mom's recipe, and I think it's because she uses buttermilk. We'll start out with 3 sticks of unsalted butter. I'll cream that first. To that, I'll add 3 cups of granulated sugar. Slowly mix that in. Add 4 eggs at room temperature. Beat the eggs slightly before putting them in the butter and sugar. To this mixture, you'll add 2 tablespoons of vanilla, mix that in. It takes 3 cups of mashed bananas, really almost overripe bananas. This is what I have left to cut up and mash. I actually like to use bananas that are much more ripe than this, but these will be okay. I have found when you do not use overripe bananas and you make banana bread, it really doesn't taste, it doesn't have that banana flavor that you're looking for. And that's why I always let them almost get to the point where they need to be thrown out, and that's when I know it's time to make banana bread. So I'll just cut these up like this. This is what it'll look like. I've used a lot of bananas because I'm gonna make some banana bread for my mom as well. Then I just take a potato masher and I mash them until I see the consistency that they all look combined. To the wet mixture, you'll take 4 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. This is 1 cup of buttermilk, and then I use 3 cups of mashed bananas. And I alternate between these 3 as I'm mixing them in the bowl. And I use heaping cups of the bananas. And then I normally add more than the recipe calls for on nuts. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups, but my family likes lots of walnuts, so I normally add 2 heaping cups at the end before I put it in the baking dishes. This recipe makes about 3 to 4 loaves. I'm probably going to need more than 3 pans, but let's see. I think I'll be okay. I'm going to put these in the oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. It might be 1.5 hours. It depends upon if you're using glass or darker nonstick. For glass, you'll want to put the oven temperature to 325 degrees. For darker nonstick pans, you'll want to have it at 350. I hope you guys enjoy this banana bread as much as my family has for many, many years. I really do think it's the buttermilk that makes the difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a really great weekend. And we'll see you soon. Bye.